Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in pure white. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside this Volkswagen and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. This Volkswagen does have a smart key system, so if the vehicle's locked, you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right there and the vehicle will unlock. We're going to take a look in the door first. On the bottom you do have some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you do have your different lighting options, equipped with black leather seating, and on the bottom you do have your power seating adjustment buttons as well as your seating presets. But now why don't we hop inside and start this Tiguan up. It is a push start, just put your foot on the brake, and the start button is right by the shifter there. We're going to take a look at the steering wheel first. It's got a nice flat bottom. Taking on the left side, you have these arrows right here. This will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center, along with your volume options and your voice recognition system. On the right here, you have these arrows, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display right there, which does also show that this Volkswagen has 56,370 kilometers on it. Moving on to our entertainment display, if we go ahead and press media and go source, of course you can connect your device through Bluetooth. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and auxiliary. If we go ahead and press menu, you can connect your phones through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And lastly, we do have navigation in this. Backup camera, nice and clear, giving you those guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Moving down, you have a nice little storage compartment, and here you got your USB and auxiliary. Behind the shifter is your electronic parking brake, along with 2 cup holders and the center console. Lastly, glove box, nice and simple, lots of room in here as well, and it does also come with your owner's manual. So let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. In the door here, you do have some nice storage space. Continuing with the black leather seating. And the center here, if we pull this, that centerpiece will come out, and that'll give you access to your cargo. Or you can pull this tab down here and the entire seat will come down, and that'll give you access as well. So to open up, all you got to do is just press the button right underneath here. That comes up nice and easy. Lots of space in here. Of course, we have this rubber mat to protect against any harsh objects you might be carrying. Seats do fold down, of course, in case you need that extra bit of space. And lastly, under here, you do have your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, you got these handles on both sides. Just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and powered moonroof. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on a corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.